Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance